In this video, we are going to see Kapilopadesha, Dasaga 15 of Narayaniyam, slogas 1 to 5. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Madhiriha Gunasakta, Bandhakrite Sakta, Tamrita Krutuparundhe, Bhakti Yogastu Saktim, Mahadanugamalabhya, Bhakti Revatra Sadhya, Kapila Tanuriti Tvam, Devahutyai Nagadi. Madhiriha, that is here in this world, the intellect, Gunasakta, which is attached to the gunas and so to the sense objects. Bandhakrit is the cause of bondage. Teshu asakta tu, if it, that is the intellect, is not attached to them, the sense objects, amritakrita, then it is the cause of liberation. Bhakti yogaha tu uparunte, the path of devotion prevents saktim, the attachment. Mahad anugama labhya bhakti, that the devotion which arises from following holy men. Eva atra sadhya, alone should be sought. Kapila tanuriditvam devahutya nagadihi, though incarnate as Kapila, thus advised Devahuti. Meaning, in this world, when the intellect gets attached to the sense objects, which are the product of the three gunas, it becomes the cause of bondage. Otherwise, it leads to liberation. The path of devotion indeed prevents attachment. Devotion which arises from following holy men alone should be sought after. Thus, the incarnate as Kapila, advised Mother Devahuti. Prakriti mahadahangarascha matrascha bhudane abhihridabhida shakshi purusha panjavimshaha idi vidida vibhago Uchyade sau prakritiyaha Kapila tanuriti tvam devahutyai nagadihi. Prakriti mahad ahangara cha, Prakriti mahad ahangara and matra cha, the five tanmatras, bhutani abhi, and also the five elements, hrida abhi, and the mind, Dasha Akshi, and the 10 Indriyas, Purusha Panjavimsik, that Purusha as the 25th, Idi Vidita Vibhagaha, knowing these divisions, Muchyade Asau Prakritya, he is released from Prakriti. Kapila Tanuriditvam Devahutya Nagadihi. Thus, the incarnate as Kapila, you advised Mother Devahuti. Meaning, Prakriti, nature, Mahatattva, the great spirit, Ahankara, that is the eye sense, the five tanmatras, sound, smell, touch, from touch, form and taste, and then five bhutas, subtle elements, that is space, air, fire, water, earth. Antakarna is mind and its various modes. Then 10 Indriyas, organs, 5 of knowledge, hearing, seeing, touch, taste, smell, and 5 of action is speech, hands, legs, anus, genitals. And Purusha, Atman, these are the 25 categories. When the Purusha realizes the distinctiveness of these categories, he is liberated from the bondage of Prakriti. Thus, you incarnate as Kapila, advised Devahuti. Prakriti gana gunaukaihi najyade purushoyam यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयादे कपिलतनुहृदी त्वं देवहूत्यै नगादिः. Prakriti-gata guna oghaihi, that is, by the many attributes of Prakriti, na ajide purushaha ayam, the purusha is not tainted. Yadi tu sajati tasyam, but if he becomes attached to Prakriti, tad gunaha tam vajeran, the attributes of Prakriti attach themselves to him. Mad anubhajana, by constant worship to me, tadatu alojanaihi, and by inquiring to my real nature, sa abhi abeyad, that Prakriti also will leave her hold. Kapila tanuruditvam devahutye nagadihi, that you human descend as Kapila advised Devahuti. Meaning, the Purusha by itself is free from the attributes of Prakriti. But if he identifies himself with Prakriti, then the attributes of Prakriti attach themselves to him. Prakriti will leave its hold on Purusha if he constantly worships me and inquires into my real nature. You, incarnate as Kapila, thus advised Devahuti. विमलमतिरुपात्तैः आसनाद्यैर्मदङ्गं गरुडसमधिरूढं दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्गं रुचितुलिततमालं शीलयेदानुवेलं कपिलतनुहृदी त्वं देवहूत्यै नगादिः. Vimalamadihi, one who has purified his mind, ubataihi asanadyehi, by control of senses and by meditative postures, mad angam garuda samadhiruda, that is, you meditate on the postures, should meditate on my form mounted on Garuda. Divya bhushana ayudha angam, adorned with divine ornaments and divine weapons. Ruchi tulida tamalam, resembling a tamala tree in luster, that is blue color. Shilayed anuvelam, that should meditate constantly. Kapila tanuruditvam devahutye nagadihi, the human descend as Kapila, you advise to Devahuti. That means having purified the mind by control of senses and by meditative postures, that is yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, patyagahara, one should constantly meditate on my form, adorned with divine ornaments and weapons, seated on Garuda, and blue and lustrous like the Tamala tree. Thus, you incarnate as Kapila, advised Devahuti. मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिदोघ प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः साहि मृत्योर्विजेत्री कपिलतनुहृदी त्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादिः. Mama gana leela agarnanaihi kirtanatehi, by listening to my many excellences and sportive activities. Kirtanatehi is by chanting my name, etc. Surasaridokosha prakya chitta anuvrittihi mayi, in which the mind flows to me in a continuous stream like that of Ganga. Bhavati parama bhaktihi, that supreme devotion is born. That devotion alone, Mrityoho Vijayatri, is the conqueror of the cycle of birth and death. Kapila Tanuriditvam Devahutye Nagadi. Hare, human descend as Kapila, you thus advised Devahuti. Meaning, by regularly listening to my excellences and my sportive deeds, and by chanting my name, the supreme devotion is born. This devotion, in which the mind flows in an uninterrupted stream towards me, like the Ganga flows towards the sea, alone can conquer the cycle of birth and death. Thus, you incarnate as Kapila, advised Devahuti. With this, the fifth sloka is completed. And before concluding this video, we will have a Bhagavat Stotra. कृष्णो रक्षदुनो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दास्योऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति सर्वमेदमखिलं हे कृष्ण रक्षस्व मां हरिः ओम्. If you like this video, press like and also subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the bell icon. Thank you.